iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Polokwane City 0 in the Nedbank Cup. Sundowns on to the next level of the Nedbank Cup. They will now meet Orlando Pirates in the next round of the Nedbank Cup. I think it's the quarterfinal round now. Next week, Thursday. Comprehensive, straightforward, as expected. Well done, Mamelodi Sundowns. Junior Khanye with us as usual. Very professional performance from Sundowns. Very impressive performance in the first half as well.
Kulego maprada kunjani ngulise justice Benedict Vilakazi na visitor uvus afethu kunjani keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one, telling a reality nguleko
professional performance
ungazuli should be in maprada. First of all, the way they approach the game, it tells you ukuthi the club, that's why you see each and every season they're competing with Champions League. Sundowns very, very professional. They've got a player whereby they understand what a coach afunani. My player understand that they are professional individually. Been given a platform, we are born good thing at Zangi. Ngatak sama player ngadlali ngikhuluma ngoshminti mingos. Lesedi Kapinga also came it bano kumdlalisa bangamdlalisi. So professionalism, they do extras individually, but figure fitter like it have. Instead, baliftike. So credit to coaches. Nyabaniga la meeting baniga gone credit. But approach game nge 3-4-3. And the Jali, but by 2, we scooted the peg. They were 4. But watching that team after 20 minutes, they could check and then I'm moving peko aba kupuga. Andile child beksala unasimento kusale nalumchitu Teruk. My man of the match Teruk and Andile, the chairman of the match for me today, understanding and positioning. You get good petit Paul, understanding, positioning, Andile child and Teruk. So what Andile bega tropala, gube unasimento, gube Teruk Andile child, more central. And then I'm out back up, causing understanding, going a training session. I'm a player Sundowns in Salungchela and Gulego. Just to summarize the game, Bapuchi came with 3-4-3. Maba Petit Pola, they've got more numbers. Gamba na Mawimpe Kwabo. Sedi Kapinga, also Ashming Temugos, Kositamichening a movement of the pole. Also Kemit Erasmus, Abaming a target man. Mistake about Zilama coaches good mangabe, sometimes Petit Pola, Shalulile dropping white. Shalulile Mafunat Abange. A very good player in terms of energy. Can score goals, is a goal poucher, but in terms of to make things happen, thinking, I'm not saying I know about the good player, it's good energy, can score goals. Right, but in terms of understanding when it comes to decision making, society in it's a problem. Makocha iboni lambo more central after 20 minutes. So kulego is sometimes a little bit remara attack baba na more numbers because of my wing pekwabo. And also there's more people who let him the Polokwane City, they start afresh. Credit to Andy Charlie, he can play short, he can play long. I'm fun was the ball. I'm trying to let him be more stable. I don't care who says what, man.
It makes you wonder as well, why Mr. Indoba under Jali is a better option in that midfield because he covers distance. He gets the ball, he knows where to distribute the ball, he has forward passes, and he's got a very good engine because even in the 90th minute, he looked the same as he was in the first minute. Why is it a mystery that he is better than Rivaldo Couture?
I am a coach, they must dig deep. I don't know. I would tell as many answers as simply Andile child who is pinned there in the game. Our coaches are in years in Taman Andile child can deliver whatever. I don't understand what. Because in the field of play, Mfana is something else. Yes. Why they call him national team now? Yeah. Because Namshanjan Kulego Mfana Lobega, Manga check after 20 minutes 25. Who can as one ank, Bazaling and K1. Maboe was pushing the Sabazala by 2 Maboe, Ashming Temungos. Also Kaping a tropa. Uskuti system yabo jobangisho ukuthi baye more attack mangam check up futhi andile jobangisho bekang complicate izinto enkuleko he understand the positioning lamfana malingekho ibhola mawungabona le team yakwazi kuyimarka 1-3 there's antwana bezilathi timing to lose 3 season nebhola ngocover distance azimaki not by kicking somebody. He never got the L card okanye foul umuntu sharp foul yabakhona probably, but understanding mafullback kwake mambile akacheki he understand ukuthi okay uTerry will go and then Nasimento ka left will go mina ngizozala central at delay play, so also spreading those passes mangamcheka
even the first goal, you remember the first goal?
So it goes to understanding also mangacheka Nkuleko njengoba ngisho iSundowns central defense yakho unasimenta abantu abaza udlala irole enkulu yamjita ngoba mawamcheka lama forward unokushaya ipass esuka la from a defense ejumpa midfield ifike ku striker lento leya Nkuleko ngizokutshela ilimaza amathima amaningi hetha amaningi ngoba bamane ukuthi basabuild attacker vela adlale apush ibhola adlale ipass edlala edlula kuma midfield
eliminate midfielders, defenders,
bese mhlambe ithola uShalulile lidrope the statement run bashayile le team ngama run statement run 2 goal yale team considering ngama mistake wabo. You cannot go to start the ball Sundowns press high labantu abayi3 ku Sundowns which is Kemita Rasmus bekushalulile now Kaping. There was a problem in terms mabasusa ibhola beba high, so le ntwana sifuna bazikora ngama mistake was 2 goals going to le team le Polokwane City. You can tell good badla South Africa champions badlane Sundowns. You can tell, you could tell ngentening good goalkeeping qala bano goalkeeper grand, but badlali 3-4-3 ne Sundowns angeba build up at the back. They try to do that bahlulile in the middle, very nervous manga checka always labantu badlala flat by 3 kodwa bebazi kuba break. You know why? Sundowns my petty ball abalahleka boy 3 and they couldn't bebadlala amabhola whereby they trying to play badlale phumele ngaphandle badlala Sundowns ilwini, so they wenza badlala nga 3 ba spread wide lama movement ama pocket Sundowns bayasebenzisa angazwe ngithola bebadlala by 3 futhi mangawuthi abantu aba wide ku Sundowns uthola ukuthi abantu abadlala la yibe kumele ngabe bamakha labadlala emidlini ngikhuluma ngabe by 3-2 mhlambe ye drop ama wide. It's a problem up front. They're not giving nothing ngikhuluma kuyo iPolokwane ngoba they never break Sundowns up front, so bekuyi problem. You understand? So iPolokwane you could tell ukuthi idlala ku South Africa champions against the champions with DStv Premiership, so benzima kakhulu namanje. Just advice to these youngsters Sundowns, Promise Mkuma is my boy uhlala amasuku ekhaya. It's about 5 minutes. The boy ngimbukelile mina adlala i-8 also nase he was a captain ku MDC. He had a promising career ku MDC, but a lot is expected. Just the advice to the boy, ngiya understand uMakhalo he came as a youngsters why build Sundowns that season. I remember bafaka Nedbank. Yeah, Nedbank dala ngadlali manje ngiphinde ngimnike, but just the advice for both of them today. You competing against Kapinga, Userino, Uthemba Mshishi, Shalulile, Kemita Rasmus, and also independence Kapinga the Shashmin Timungos. You understand my brother. So he advised these kids when they get these chances like this, ngoma babafaka igame ya drop. If you can check Sundowns couldn't break ngabo 3, which is okay njoba ngisho lemfana kuya ku injury uKeletso winning Sundowns that season more Promise unali talent I know, but udlala Sundowns and a lot is expected. He's been a season or 2, so nyamthanda umfana. I know ukuthi unali talent, but he must show by playing ngoba lama chances so ngikhulumela phezukwane. I saw him losing 3 balls basibheka into so, and ukhumbule compete nabantu aba compete na they already made their name. Even if they make mistake, you can't say you know what he can do. So Promise mele just the advice uKeletso he must work extra mile because he understand we are going injury. We need to Sundowns something. Last season he has proved himself. Yeah. So mabangena igame by dropper.
Yeah, second half it really dropped.
Yeah, so and I'm interested so my coaches as bigger. Sengikhuluma ukuthi in terms of umfana going forward, he must not be given a chance. Udlale 45 minutes. He must add something. Makangeni ngoba Sundowns ezingitshela look at nje bafaka uBhangalisa Mahulu today, abanye bebangamazi uBhangalisa Mahulu, but I know mina Liana why ahleli isikhathi eside kanje kuSundowns ngwenyalazi ibhola nami ngisambonile very umjita petty composure. Second ushama forward pass uGeorge, another advice from uGeorge umfana wami kwayena, but I don't do favors man. If you play well ngizokutshela uGeorge angakhohlwa kuSundowns compete nabo
Jali, Rivaldo,
Jali, Maboe, Hlomphekekana. It's very tough. You can't play backwards. Ngeke uthi ungene last 25 minutes out of 10 amapass wakhe 8 backwards. Never. They are short, they are chatting each other, drop kick. We want to see more. Mbonile Jali, use it forward passes, udlala behind the defense. Sure. We don't mind udlala forward pass, mhlawumbe mangabe kunemuntu omuva udlala. Asish ukuthi udlala forward, idlala ijump defense, but you can't play sideways backwards. No, u drop game. Because maybe we supply laba abantu balithole kanjani ball. Uzokwenza ukuthi ba drop, bazolanda more. So just the advice also may help goalkeeper Sundowns. Alengonyizwe imali. I don't mina nkuleko ngibhola ngibheka ngendlela yami maphethu. Awuyalazi ibhola ayingwenya le. Understanding positioning. Sharp yambonisa makanza lama mistake angithi confident high but akadlali kunama mistake ayithunyana 12 pass adlali but liyamchita mangadlala to any team ngikhuluma ukuthi iDiskiTV Premiership like I win team he will play le ayingwenya le technique handling yakhe.
Would you say perhaps because obviously we know ukuthi kwenzakalana ku Sundowns? Number 1 Dennis Onyango, number 2 Kennedy Mwene, and then Ricardo Kos, and then Riyad Peters. Would you say that we had deserved Ricardo Kos to push at least to Kennedy Mwene out of the picture? Abengu number 2 ka Onyango. How would you play that situation out on if you were the coach?
I rate Onyango. I rate to Kennedy. Everybody at Sundowns deserve majority sitting in Kazakhstan, except 2, 3, 4 nyana deserve to be there. Aba signing about there's availability. It's a window period is open. We can sign in or no. They check there's a need of signing that right back now. Can it fit in our standard style of play? Philosophy can it fit? That's what Babona saw. And as ngikutshela nkuleko ngihlale ngibeka yiko ama player amaningi uthola ukuthi score 8 goals adlala. For just an example, I'm sorry to say this, but Ivar, udlala kuMaZulu, udlala ku Celtics, udlala ku Chief or whatever. He's scoring every week. He goes to Sundowns, he fails. Even making to 18. Proper assessment. A technical team. Proper assessment, my brother. You understand? The 18 will be paid bench Sundowns. He bench labo. So telling you into pega labantu abafake today. Look at the technique, the short attack.
It's very good.
And the movement of the Polokwane Kaping. I know the boy who shine the one Ashmington laziness is talent. It's something that you can work with. But talent is gifted, man. And technical is good. So
Ricardo Kos.
Ricardo Kos
goalkeeping situation.
Just to show ngibuyela kule point iSundowns Ricardo Kos angeke ngithi Onyango can take him out. So far Onyango they've been winning things angazi ngaye. It's like the situation guy Iniesta supposed to win Palato but there was Mason Cristiano. So umchita Mamela that's why ngithi can Sundowns keep him? Uzoyithola chance. Ayinzima leya. Njoba ngisho nkuleko ukuthi angeke amkhona ukumkhipha Onyango is doing well and Sundowns have been winning things. DSTV Premiership ubuya bawini istar ngaye. Mwene is very good goalkeeper as well. Sikhuluma nge former Zambia number 1 AFCON. You understand? So I love Mwene because technical is good, handling reaction yakhe, quickness yakhe. So lo mchita good but ekwamanje uzoyithola chance.
All right. Okay, I need to ask you one more question, but before that, just a lovely positive message of support to the students who are protesting for free education. I support your cause. Keep on marching on. This is your cause as well. Don't be ashamed of what you are doing. This is the right thing that you are doing. All over South Africa, VERDS, UJ, UCT, all over. Keep on fighting the good fight. You are on the right side of history, and keep on keeping on as well. Last question: Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns now in the quarterfinal. This would have been a final, obviously. Obviously, it would have been a final. Unfortunately, we get it to my quarterfinal. That's going to be a very difficult one.
Yeah, almost similar players. Type of players. With Sundowns, I'm a coach I'm more ahead of. Pirates coaching, that's all. But my players, Pirates have got players. They've been winning, but I believe the coach abantu njengoba bafaka ipressure ukuthi coach is sharp uyese benchini vat but njengoba ngisho ngithi kuwe amnika but players I give it more. So pound to pound ngama player. Pirates is similar player to Sundowns. Yeah, pound to pound. But the Pirates njengoba ngisho nayo ngitshelile last nkuleko inokungabi consistent. They've been winning now but kule game ayibhekane neproblem ngoba qala i-Sundowns i-dominator lo game. Yes, ama chances of create ngapha because of the quality similar. But the Sundowns ikhumbule the style of play, my brother. Nale experience of the Champions League le. Mabazodla iTP Mazembe so simple lay away. Akusi easy ngule ngoba shayile ya team le yini le bashayifa. Zidad 5-1 nguleko le on song. And akusi best team compare ngakutshela le yabo pace zone, but going to Pirates and le game. It's a fact. Ngibona Sundowns mina, I'm telling you, not good ngibona. Mina, I'm telling the truth. Ngithi uyibhale phansi. Sundowns is going to win the game because of the structure a team enaso. Individual Pirates brilliant. Yes, kuzoba nama moment ama chance bazo, but Sundowns will win the game. All
right, there you go. Mamelodi Sundowns clinical performance today, very, very impressive, straightforward, really, no problems at all. We saw Utongati play against Orlando Pirates. It was troublesome. Orlando Pirates could only win 1-0. You couldn't see the gap between Glad Africa and DStv Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs lost to Richards Bay FC, Glad Africa Championship, in the same weekend. So today we saw a comprehensive victory where you could see one team is in the top and the other is in the lower league as well. It is time to co.za, iDiskiTV on Facebook, 91,000 followers there. We thank you very much for following us, wsp.co.za.